There's another one.
Mind you, this is absolutely not a yawn because it's sleepy. It is the highest level of a declaration of war. When its jaws swing open to an astonishing 150 degrees, what you see are lethal tusks up to 50 centimeters long.
Cool.
With a terrifying bite force of 1 ton, it can easily snap a canoe or a crocodile right in half.
He's going that way.
Apart from soaking and spacing out, they seem completely non-aggressive. You might even find it a bit cute, but nature often wraps its fiercest characters in the most adorable packages. Hippos are fiercely territorial. In Africa, the number of human deaths caused by hippo attacks far exceeds those by lions, leopards, and crocodiles combined. This 2-ton meatball can reach a sprinting speed of 30 kilometers per hour on land, leaving humans completely in the dust. You can disrespect a lion on the shore, but you must never offend the fat guy in the water. Although hippos spend most of their days stubbornly staying in the water, their bone density is so high that they actually cannot swim or float at all. In the water, they rely entirely on bouncing and strolling along the bottom. Why does a hippo that can't swim spend all day soaking in the water? Don't be fooled by its tough and thick appearance. Its skin is more delicate than anyone's, and it doesn't have a single sweat gland. If left under the scorching African sun for just a few hours, its tender skin will dehydrate and crack. Water not only protects their skin and relieves the burden of their multi-ton weight on their joints, but it is also an absolute safe zone where even lions dare not tread. Like a submarine, a hippo's eyes, ears, and nostrils are all located on top of its head, allowing it to hold its breath underwater for 5 minutes at a time. A hippo can use its tail to fan its dung up to 12 meters away. This scent becomes its GPS for returning home after going out to graze in the dead of night, as well as a marker to declare territorial sovereignty.
There's another small, 2 smalls are coming out.
This is the hippo, soaking in silence, crowned in fury.